Typical day at the beach, you know. We got the top going down on the Roadster over there. That is a 1-of-1 Monterey Blue SLS Roadster. Got the roaster going out.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful color. Monterey Blue. This car was at the Pebble Beach Concours Elegance a couple years ago. Actually, a few years ago, but it's got an official certificate from AMG, USA, with that color code. Good friend of mine over there. We got the Torco Oils Viper up next. I cannot wait to get our going out here. It's gonna look awesome. Just a beautiful sunny day at Huntington Beach. Currently setting up a group photo with the Torco Viper. It'll be pretty sick. And behind the minivan, we got a Gallardo NSX, NSX, and some small hatchback, which I can't tell what it is yet. It is a Scion IQ, I think, or what you guys may call in Europe a Toyota IQ, or Igo, sorry. Superleggera, NSX, Scion thing, and a G-Wagon 63. Check it out. Of course, got David's SLS Roadster right there. Nice vantage peeking out back there, but yeah, pretty sweet. Kind of funny you've seen a pink NSX. I've seen that before. Respect for Kobe right there. That's good. That's good. Somehow I almost completely missed this massive turbocharged Super right here. It's a replica of the Fast and Furious car. Not the exact one, obviously, but pretty sick to see something like this out here with the 2JZ. You know, honestly not a huge fan of this style, but you know it's a replica of the movie, so gotta respect that. Got a few Benzes out there. Pretty sweet D9 5 Series wagon out there, E61 or I can't remember the chassis code for that, but yeah. S63. G-Wagon. We got wide body 458 over here. Could be a Challenge body kit, I can't quite remember. We got the Torco Viper back out here. NSX making its way. There's our SLS over there. Cobra. Nice little lineup today. Just for some pics, but yeah. As an E92 owner, I kind of love these things. I was never a huge fan of the E65 series, but you know, I love these wagons over here. I believe, so it's D9 5, it's only got the 2 exhaustives. I think it's a 535. I'm not quite sure. It's got the liquid moly sticker over there. Represent. Some BBS wheels. I'm not sure if they're the FIRs or they're just SSRs, but either way, I love the way they look. I'd love these kind of wheels on my 3 Series, but we'll see how that goes in the future. Looking good, looking good. Pretty clean, man.
Start this thing. I love the...
There it is.
Hey, you still owe me another ear, dude. Oh, that's right.
Goddamn.
You owe me 2 ears now. Is it 2?
These guys gonna make some sort of YouTube videos. I'm not quite sure what it is, but pretty sick build they got going on. It's on bags. You guys see it go down in a minute. There it is. To the ground. Pretty sweet. Pretty cool looking Gallardo, late model, 560 I want to say. Could be completely wrong, but I think it's a 560-4. Looking good though. We got the cops out there doing their job. Gallardo going out. The drones are up. Rari's leaving in this minute. It's looking good though.
Come on.
Got the yin and the yang of Lambos. Doing the swap. Alrighty guys, we're gonna be going after that little Kobe car, a little tribute, pretty cool guy. But We'll wait for the cover to come off and we'll get our SLS started up and we'll get out there. Alrighty guys, it's our time. Got the bird out here looking good. Wings are up. That was a pretty fun photo shoot with the guys. Thank you, David, for making this all happen. David organized Supercars by the Sea as well, so he's a pretty big guy in this community. He's a fellow SLS owner, he's got a Roadster, but they got some awesome pics of this car. We got some pics with the Special Olympics guys out there as well. They're doing great things, so I'm gonna go ahead and head home now, but that was a successful shoot.